Hi, good morning. Now we can discuss methods of measuring price elasticity of supply. Price elasticity of supply is measured in two different ways, such as percentage method and geometric method. Normally, we are using percentage method. Under this method, price elasticity of supply is measured by dividing the percentage change in quantity supply by percentage change in price. If we divide percentage change in quantity supply with change in percentage change in price, it can be write as ES. ES means elasticity of supply. Percentage change in quantity supplied divided percentage change in price. That is ES equal to percentage change in quantity supply divided by initial quantity. Initial quantity means firstly supplied by the seller. Then change in price. Then divided by initial price. Initial price means the first price. Then that is multiplied with 100. That is can be written as ES equal to delta Q. There is a sign of triangle that can be read as delta. Delta Q by Q, then whole divided by delta P by P. Delta Q means change in quantity supply, then delta P means change in price. Q means first initial quantity, P initial price. Then next method is geometric method. If supply curve is a straight line, extend the supply curve in such a way that it cut the negative part of the x-axis, elasticity will be greater than 1. We check this first diagram A. That is cutting the negative line that goes to outside, that is ES is greater than 1. In that case, elasticity will be greater than 1. Then if supply curve is a straight line, extend supply curve in such a way that it cut on the positive part of x-axis, elasticity will be less than 1. Look into the diagram B. Here elasticity cutting the x-axis. Sorry, supply line cutting the x-axis. Here elasticity of supply is less than 1. If the supply curve is a straight line, extend the supply in such a way that it passes through the origin. Elasticity will be 1. Diagram C. If the supply curve is parallel to x-axis, elasticity will be infinity, and if it is parallel to y-axis, elasticity will be 0. In the third case, elasticity will be 1. Then in the fourth case, elasticity is parallel to x-axis. Supply curve is parallel to x-axis, that is infinity. Then supply curve is parallel to y-axis, that is, if it is parallel to y-axis, then elasticity will be 0. So these are the measurements of elasticity under geometric method. Then we can also learn elasticity of demand. Alfred Marshall firstly used the concept elasticity in economics. The word elasticity means responsiveness. The price elasticity of demand is defined as the degree of responsiveness of quantity demanded of a commodity with respect to change in its price. It is obtained by dividing percentage change in demand by percentage change in price. Price elasticity of demand is defined as degree of responsiveness of quantity demand of a commodity with respect to change in its price. It is obtained by dividing percentage change in demand by percentage change in price. Then we already learned degree of price elasticity in the case of supply. Then on the basis of degree of change in quantity demand, elasticity can be classified into 5 types.